In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stencil texture paint, and how to use the displace modifier. Let's press Shift-A to create a curve circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Right-click in S to add 4 more curve points. Let's check or deselect and try to move the points down a bit. That won't work, because we haven't pressed the 3D button. Let's bevel the curve and select Full. If we try to texture paint this mesh, it won't work because it's a curve object. We need to convert this curve object to mesh first. When a mesh appears purple, that means it's missing a texture. We need to work on the UV first. In Edit mode, A to select all, and U to Smart UV project. Let's add a texture like this. I'll show you how Stencil works. I'll use this Voronoi texture, but we can also import external texture images. We need to change the mapping type to Stencil. Right-click and drag will move the stencil. Shift-click and drag will zoom, and Control-click and drag will rotate. Let's left-click to paint. This material is now fully customizable in the node editor. I'll make it reflective, and Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Time to add the displace modifier. I'll add a ground mesh. Let's set up the render scene. I'll add a set of PBR images for the ground mesh. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.